A smile for Mr. Jenkins. A short moral story. Every morning, the children hurried past Mr. Jenkins' house. He was the grumpy old man on the corner, wrinkled, silent, and always frowning behind his dusty window. "Don't go near his yard," the kids would whisper. "He hates noise and fun." But one sunny afternoon, young Emma dropped her ball. It rolled straight into Mr. Jenkins' garden. She tiptoed in, heart pounding. Just as she picked up the ball, the front door creaked open. There stood Mr. Jenkins. Emma froze, then, remembering her mom's words, gave him a small, brave smile. To her surprise, Mr. Jenkins blinked, and smiled back. It was crooked and shy, but it warmed the air like sunshine. The next day, Emma waved as she walked by. Mr. Jenkins nodded. A week later, he was sitting on his porch, handing out lemonade. Soon, the other kids joined her. They discovered Mr. Jenkins once loved painting and gardening. Laughter filled the corner house again. All it took was one kind smile to change everything. Moral: a simple act of kindness, like a smile, can open even the coldest hearts. Thank you for watching.